Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change Uber driver Eats profile picture. Well, changing your profile picture on Uber is a bit complicated, so let me go it through. First thing first, you want to open up Uber, and when you are here, first thing what you want to do is simply tap on this account option at the bottom right corner of the screen, and now you have to tap on the profile picture in the top right here. It will take you on this page, and once you are here, you have to tap on this edit account, then tap on this blank picture again, and you have to contact support because it says photo can't be edited, so you will have to contact the support. Once you contact support, you will only be able to update your profile photo if the appearance has changed due to certain reasons such as significant weight changes, facial deformation, medical conditions, plastic or cosmetic surgery. So scroll down below and you will have to answer these questions as yes, and in the last option you can explain that your appearance had changed due to certain medical conditions or due to certain reasons, and then submit it, and then Uber will look into your request and they will contact you back, and then you will get the option to change your profile picture. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.